Hey guys, thought today we'd go over another Channellock tool. This is the 927 8-inch snap ring pliers. These are for removing and installing snap rings, also known as circlips. So for example, on this gear here, I want to remove this snap ring. So I'll attach the pliers and hey wait, these are opening the wrong way. This is an external snap ring. I need the pliers to open the other way. What the? Did I get the wrong tool? Nah. Check out this little red lever here. When I flip it, the pliers switch directions from internal to external. It's a switch hitter. That's for both teams. Swings both ways. A Kinsey 3. By Curious George. A little acey-deucey. Double-gated. A flexi-dexy. It orders both tacos and sausage. Travels by both rail and sea. Walks on both sides of the street. Anyway, you get the idea. So now we can go back to our gear, insert the pins into the little holes on the circlip, expand, and remove. Same thing for reinstalling. Pretty nifty. Now, circlips come in different sizes, and sometimes they have larger or smaller holes in them. When we look at just the tip, you can see the tip is retained with a set screw. The Channellock comes with a little kit with different sized tips, as well as some right angle tips in case you need to get into a tight spot. However, these tips are super small. You can see I already lost one of the black right angle tips. Oh well. And they're a little bit of a pain to swap out. You have to use the Allen key to loosen the set screw, and sometimes they can kind of get stuck in there and you gotta use pliers to pull them out. But then you can swap on whatever tip you need. It's just a little bit of a pain to do, especially if you're dealing with multiple different size snap rings. Another negative to these is the overall size. They're pretty chunky. If we compare this to a dedicated snap ring plier, this one's from Wildy, you can see how much larger it is. And the Wildies are much thinner too. Of course, the Wildies don't have replaceable tips, and they only swing one way, so you'd end up having to buy a full set of them. But if you don't want to buy a full set, especially if you're only dealing with circlips every once in a while, the Channellock makes sense. They have gone up in price quite a bit. I know I didn't pay more than 20 bucks for my pair a few years ago. I think they're maybe a little too expensive right now, but it is a USA-made tool. I'll leave an Amazon link in the video description anyway. I like them mostly because I think it's a unique design. These were invented in 2005 for the A&E Manufacturing Company, so I'm not sure if they're licensing the patent to Channellock, or if A&E is manufacturing them and then rebranding them as Channellocks. But look at all the parts that go into it. It's pretty cool. Anyway, that's all I got for today. Be sure to check out the other videos on my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.